Welcome. Let's dive into this explainer on Surah Al-Ikhlas, a profoundly powerful 7th century theological response.
Who is your Lord? Give us his lineage. That exact question actually sparked this entire surah.
7th century Arabs valued lineage above all else. They wanted physical descriptions of the divine. Here's the ultimate answer.
Notice how this perfectly pairs with Surah Al-Kafirun. It literally purges false concepts before affirming the absolute truth.
The Prophet even declared it equals 1/3 of the Qur'an. It perfectly encapsulates the faith's core theology.
But here's the crazy part. It captures all that essence in just 4 incredibly brief verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
The very first verse, it introduces a concept that completely redefines the whole idea of one.
The term ahad is radical. It strips away any possibility of shared, equal divine attributes. Period.
If God were just wahid, there could theoretically be a second. Ahad means utterly, indivisibly singular.
Think about it. Human traits are always limited or temporary, whereas Allah's attributes are entirely infinite.
Building on that absolute uniqueness, the second verse shifts gears. It's all about human reliance.
As-Samad is the ultimate refuge. It's the solid core you turn to when worldly options vanish entirely.
Psychologically speaking, if he isn't your ultimate goal, you'll inevitably turn temporary, worldly things into your master.
Verse 3 comes in and completely shatters the mythological norm of gods having literal family trees.
The specific past tense grammar here masterfully dismantles those ancient, historical claims that God fathered other deities.
But why do we even try inventing divine partners in the first place? It's human psychology. We naturally crave a middleman, like a cool manager shielding us from the strict boss's rules.
People invent spiritual intercessors to avoid accountability. They want a loophole around absolute divine justice.
This breathtaking exegetical journey wraps up with verse 4, returning right back to his unmatched uniqueness.
Kufuwan signifies a perfectly equal match. It means absolutely nothing in existence stands on par with him.
Look, every earthly king or warrior has a rival. The divine, however, stands entirely without peer.
A companion of the Prophet actually recited this constantly, not just for theology, but out of profound love.
When the Prophet heard about this pure devotion to the surah, his response was just beautiful.
Internalizing this completely rewrites your psychology. It strips away worldly anxiety by anchoring you to the absolute.
So ask yourself, is your life truly centered on the one, or just chasing modern illusions?